Hello everyone and welcome to Drama Explorers Academy. Today we are learning about stage directions. Stage directions are an important part of any performance. They tell actors where to stand, how to move, and how to make sure the audience can see and understand the story. Let's start with the basics. Stage directions are always written from the actor's point of view, not the audience's. If you're standing on stage, stage left is your left and stage right is your right. Upstage is the back of the stage and downstage is the front of the stage, closest to the audience. Center stage is right in the middle. Sometimes actors are directed to move to diagonal areas of the stage. For example, downstage left, downstage right, upstage left, and upstage right. Center stage left and center stage right. Stage directions also include entrances and exits. These tell actors where and how to enter or leave the stage. For example, an actor might enter from the stage left and cross to center stage to deliver a line, or they might exit upstage right after a scene. Another important part of stage directions is body positioning. Actors need to think about how they're facing the audience. An open position means your body and face are turned toward the audience so they can see you clearly. A closed position is when your back is to the audience, which should only happen if it's absolutely necessary. Sometimes you'll stand in profile, which means you're facing sideways. And there's also something called cheating out, where you turn slightly toward the audience while still looking at another actor. This ensures the audience can see your face even during a conversation. Now let's talk about blocking. Blocking is the planned movement and positioning of all the actors in a scene. You have to make sure every actor is visible to the audience and that the stage looks balanced. Blocking helps actors know when and where to move. You can write your blocking on your script or on a stage diagram, or you can do both, whichever is easiest for you. Have fun staging and blocking. See you next time.